Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean up your Hayward SwimClear Cartridge filter. Highly recommend you do this twice a year or when you see the pressure shoot up past the allowable range. First, you want to go to your control panel and turn the pool off if it's not already. Then you take a wrench to remove the drain plug. I've already removed it, but yeah, you can take a wrench and just unscrew it that way. Once the water flow goes down to a trickle, then it's time to move on to the next step. Take a 7/16 socket and unscrew this bolt here, or you can take an adjustable wrench like I do right here. Okay, notice it. Fully unloosen and remove the spring bolt. There's a nut, a washer, a spring, and another washer as well, so just make sure to keep this in the same order when you lay it down. Remove the band that wraps around the filter. And set that on the side for now. Then we remove the top off the filter and get a load of this. It's really dirty. We got to remove this top set of bars. Just pull up firmly and it should come off easily. After which you can remove all 4 filters. With the 4 filters out, I can turn my nozzle to jet and spray all of this dirt off. Look at that, the difference is night and day. Now I have 1 fully clean filter. Make sure to do this to the other 3 filters before putting it back. Just letting you know that it took about 30 minutes to spray all 4 of these filters down really good. Next we want to clean around the canister that holds these filters. So I'm just going to spray around there and not get any debris into those 4 holes where the filters are supposed to stand on. Then we'll be able to mount these filters back in their place. So just take each filter, set it on top of these drain holes, and then push down firmly. It will snap and it feels pretty good when you push it down. Next one. With the filters in their place, it's time to put the top bar on top of the 4 filters and just push down firmly on each one. Then apply some magic lube around the O-ring. Okay, now the lube is visibly around this O-ring, so we're ready to put the cover on. The cover should fit easily on top of the canister, so if it doesn't fit correctly, you may have to replace the O-ring. Put on the band that wraps around the filter canister. Then put back the spring bolt. Make sure to hand tighten it first and then follow it up with a wrench. To figure out how tight it should be, notice here there's a gap currently between the spring bolt here. You want to make sure it's completely gone. Look at this, there's no gap at all. We must not forget about the drain plug. We have to apply some magic lube to it as well. Place the drain plug back in the hole, screw it clockwise, and then follow it up with a wrench, but don't over tighten, just make it snug. Turn the pool back on, and then inspect it for leaks. The pressure should now rise to within the allowable range, and the filter can resume its operation. That's it. Please like, subscribe, comment, let me know your thoughts, and I hope to see you next video. Goodbye.